Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Hellofresh account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Hellofresh account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you have to search for Hellofresh login. And after searching for that, you will come up to this page where you have to tap on this first option which says Hellofresh login. And now you have to verify that you are not a robot. So just verify. And after verifying that, now you have to enter your email and password. So just simply enter your email and password. And after entering your email and password, you just have to tap on sign in. And after tapping on sign in, you will successfully sign into your Hellofresh account. But if you have forgotten your password, you can easily reset or recover your password by tapping on forgot password. And after creating a new password, you have to come back to this page, and after coming back to this page you have to enter that new password that you have entered and then tap on login. And after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your Hellofresh account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Hellofresh account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.